What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Loud and Proud. We're cruising down the road right now, gonna wash Big Blue off, spray it down just to get the mud off. I do have a cough drop in. I'm sorry if I have one in a lot of the videos today, just because I had a pretty sore throat last night out of nowhere. It's like the air was super dry in our house or something, and it's just kind of like it's irritating me right now. So bear with me. Anyways, we're gonna go wash the truck off and get it dropped off today. And I know I said this in yesterday's video, well, 2 days ago, that basically we were gonna pick up the LongHorn 2nd gen project, and we didn't due to the truck needing to stay one more day. However, today we should be picking up the truck. He texted me, he said, you can show up at 1 p.m. It's all good to go. I'm like, perfect. So super excited. We're gonna get over there and pick up that truck and drop this one off. But first we need to wash this one, clean out the inside of it, and just get it ready to drop off so he can do his thing and have a nice clean base to start with. Guys, I am extremely excited. We're getting ready to go pick up the 2nd gen LongHorn project right now and drop off the 4th gen. And real quick reminder, if you guys are wanting to enter to win either Frosty, the 5-speed 12-valve Cummins with $5,000 cash, or our 2015 6.7 Cummins that only has 58,000 miles on it, you have your option between those two trucks, and every $5 is 10 entries to win one of those two trucks. But that giveaway ends this month on January 21st. And also another note to take into consideration is you are down to the last 11 days to enter to win one of those two trucks. And the entry amount, every $5 gets you 10 entries, is going to stay the same the entire giveaway, no changes. So there's no sense in waiting around for things to sell and not get entered. Get entered, don't wait till the last minute. Anyways, guys, let's get over into the truck and go get to picking this thing up. And for those of you who haven't seen this truck clean with the tail lights on it and the headlights, it looks a lot better. Of course, a clean truck always looks better in my opinion. And so when we drop this truck off, again, he's gonna be color matching this all the way through here. Sorry about that spot on the lens right there. It's a little chip in the lens. I'm waiting on my new one to come in. But anyway, so he's gonna be color matching this bezel that separates this from this bar, this crease. He's gonna be color matching that bezel all the way around the grill, the front bumper and the rear bumper, all paint matched to the truck. And he is gonna be redoing the mirror just because it's kind of a flat color because it was just painted, it was never cleared. So he's just gonna take the mirrors off and redo them so that they look much more professional. And I'm actually going to be dropping off my wife's tradesman grill that came off for 2018 as well. And the reason for that is I'm gonna have him actually color match this grill for this truck. I know it sounds kind of like, well, dude, if you're gonna color match the other one, why are you doing that? Well, there are a lot of guys that like that OEM grill style more than this, and it would be really nice to have the option of the two in case, you know, the winner picks this truck and the winner doesn't like this grill style as much as the other one. They have an option that takes 5 minutes to swap out. So anyways, that's the reason for it. Let's get in the truck. Everybody, we're about to pull up to the house, and I'm going to show you all around this truck that Miguel did for us. And I got to tell you guys, I'm thoroughly, and if you see this, I mean thoroughly impressed with the work that he did on this truck. It's not the same truck. Like I was telling Zadok when we were driving over there, I'm like, honestly, I feel more like I'm about to buy another brand new truck versus just pick up one that needed work, because it's going to look and feel like a completely different truck when I pick it up. Hopefully you guys enjoy the shots I'm about to show you, because it looks phenomenal. Okay, everybody, here she is in all of her glory. It is done from paint and body, and I gotta say, this thing looks good. Does it not look good in person?
It looks amazing.
It looks so good, and the guy did a really good job. Did not even take that long. He had the truck back to me in 4 weeks. From drop off to pick up, 4 weeks. And I could not be happier with how it turned out. I mean, it just turned out really good. Even like the mirrors, with the paint matching on the mirrors. He said that those are textured mirrors. They were not meant to be like a paintable mirror. He said that they make mirrors that are like way more smooth, so that like when you paint them, they have that shiny finish. But he said that the way that he was able to sand them and just paint everything else along with it, like he's like, I made it work, but that's really not what those mirrors are, you know, meant to be for. But it just turns out so good. Same with the bumper here. I told you how I left a little bit of a bumper gap down there so that he could get the headlights in and out and not have to scratch up the bumper, getting them in and out and everything. And it looks really, really good. Could not be happier. Same with the grill. I did tell him to paint the inserts. He texted me and asked, he said, do you want the inserts painted? I said, yes. I think that was a good move. Everything about it just turned out so, so good. I just could not be happier. I mean, like I said, the mirrors still are like shiny, even though they weren't meant to be in terms of the type of mirror they are. The paint just looks so good. Who remembers that big old nasty dent that was in the cab right there? There was little rust spots starting on the bed and a couple spots here. Big old gash in the top of the bed just smashed in right here on that side. Same on the other side. Tailgate was all smashed in, smash, smash, smash. He got a brand spanking new. I can't remember what he said. He might have said new tailgate skin and like he replaced all the hardware. We got a brand new tailgate altogether, but regardless, it looks really freaking good. Bumper, I got a black paintable rear bumper, and he did a great job. He popped off the plastics. Of course, he didn't like try to tape it off and paint around it, but he popped off the plastics, painted that bumper, mounted it up for me because it was just thrown in the bed. I mean, the whole thing, like all the dents on this side and all that jazz, remember? Gone. No more rust spots, no more big dents, no more gashes, no more deep scratches. I mean, he did a really, really good job. We're not done with the truck by any stretch of the imagination. We still got a lot to do on it in terms of under the hood, suspension. This is a really good step forward in progress. And you can see under the hood here, I tried to show you in that time-lapse video, he did paint everything under the hood too, and it turned out really good. He had the hood taken off when he painted it. He had taken off the hinges again. So if he took it off to do it the right way, not just like, you know, keep it on here and try to mask everything off and just see if he could spray it. It turned out really, really good. The hinges, remember how bright red they were? Well, he took those out and he paint matched them to the paint coat of the truck. That's a factory sticker that's supposed to be there. Nothing on it. I mean, just, it looks like it was from the factory like that. It's amazing. That's all I can say. It's amazing. So in terms of this truck and the progress of it, this is a huge, huge step forward for us and what we're trying to get accomplished with this truck. In terms of like the overall build process of it, this is still my goal. I don't know how everybody else feels about it, but this is kind of like my goal. If you know B-Rax on Instagram, he's got the giant 12 valve. It's a 5-speed, regular cab, long bed, all that jazz, right? Well, that was kind of like the inspiration for this truck. I wanted it to be like a regular cab. I wanted it to be huge. I wanted it to be stanced out and just look premium and just really give you the vibe of like a show truck and like a weekend driver, and something that you can be proud to own and proud to drive, like really take pride in. And that's kind of like the move with this truck. And I was telling my wife, I said, I kind of think I want to keep this as like a daily driver for me. Maybe not necessarily like a daily driver, but like a personal truck, I mean, as like a piece of the channel and something that took such a huge transformation, just kind of as like a little piece of like what we can do on this channel and with some of our trucks. And you're gonna see a lot more stuff like this one in the near future now that we do have a really good connection for paint and body work that's really close by. Even though we're gonna be moving here again, you know, we're still gonna have at least that connection of somebody who can do this kind of stuff quick and just super, super high quality. I mean, this thing is just sparkling over here. It looks so good. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. Lots happening. The next few videos you're gonna see are gonna be getting more stuff done to this truck, so stay tuned. Do not forget, every $5 is 10 entries to win Frosty and $5,000 cash or the 2015 6.7 Cummins that's deleted and tuned. Do not forget to enter. Information is in the description below. Last 11 days. It ends January 21st of this month, and then it's over. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comment section below if you like the way this thing turned out, and also leave a thumbs up to let me know you like the progress of this build and the direction we're going, because I think you guys want other people to be able to see this as well, and leaving that thumbs up helps people find this content. Thank you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.